Turkey Hill Dairy is a 78-year-old company, I think, now at this point. In 1980, when we built the ice cream manufacturing plant, we made about 500,000 gallons of ice cream a year. This year, we'll make about 25 million. Today, we sell iced tea in 46 states across the United States. We employ about 700 people. We have a 300,000 square foot plant. I could begin to perceive that our productivity growth was flattening out as an organization. We had a tendency to solve problems with capital. Everything in the organization was that traditional hierarchical model where everything had to come up to some really smart person at the top and they had to nod their head and say, yes, okay. You can't have a management person or a leadership person in every room saying, here, now do this, now do that, now here's how you fix that, now here's how you fix that. I really began to get to the place where I said, hey, I really need to try to open us up as an organization to new ideas. And all the research suggests that teams come up with better solutions than individuals and heroes. So I see it as a tremendous tool for changing culture. And we started looking around, took the search a little more seriously this time, ended up contracting with DBIRC. What I got was enthusiastic endorsement and people telling me, please do more. We've basically got three core strategies for lean in our organization. The first one is lean training, large groups of employees. Basically our goal is to have everybody fully trained, and we're rolling out lean production methods that we think fit us: stand-up meetings, visual display boards, CI boards, value stream mapping, 5S, root cause analysis, teams, training, and Hoshin planning. I think that an overemphasis on the tools themselves may cause us sometimes to not talk with our associates about the customer and the delivery of value to the customer, which really at its heart is the underpinnings of lean. We've reduced our annual capital investment by 40%, and we're not hurting our growth. I'm getting close to 40% more out of a line than I would have previously got in the past. Operating efficiency, we've definitely increased that tremendously. We've documented over $1 million worth of savings, and frankly, that's what we've documented. I think that it's much bigger than that. I think that another thing that lean does, besides just drive out waste and cost, is it really does focus your organization on the customer and on delivering value. You're kidding yourself if you think you're going to just read a book and then get it and everybody's going to be okay. So our next steps, well, we're going to continue to follow our strategic plan. I'm doing the standard work for lean management. I basically have said, okay, our management team really has to join in this. The executive team itself said, hey, we need to figure out how to demonstrate on ourselves, so we're going through Hoshin planning training. We've been doing strategic planning for 20 years. I think we're pretty good at it. But I had to stop and say, could we improve? Yes. Would continuous improvement apply to what we do as management? Yes. We need to demonstrate to our associates by the way that we're willing to be open to teaching and instruction as well.